I'm trying to I'm trying to process it myself right now. I thought that we were phenomenal today as a team, from number 1 to number 23. Even those girls on the bench, I think that we did our jobs, we did our roles, and we were phenomenal. You know, we've been good all campaign, but today was the day I think where we really took our game to another level, and I'm just like, I don't even have any words right now. Best performance ever in a Welsh shirt, best group ever, best momentum, best. Just right now being in our group is probably one of the best footballing moments that I've been involved in the whole campaign. This whole campaign has just been a growth of a group that anybody in any walk of life should want to be a part of, and I just feel extremely lucky to be a part of it. I have been doing this for so long, and I just can't put into words right now.
Today everyone gave 100%. There was times we looked tired, but you know, we battled through and we've got the 3 points, and that's what we wanted. We get so much acknowledgement putting that ball in the back of the net, but you know what? The defence and Laura, they've done amazing today, but you know, it's a team effort, and as I said, we come here for the 3 points, we've done the job, now is England.
Obviously we were exhausted first half, but that was because we were getting really good counter-attacks and we had the best opportunities, and I think we capitalised on that in the second half and showed how good we are in that respect.
What do you think? Good. See? No, do you know what? We're over the moon with how we performed tonight. It was a great performance all round, and credit to Kaylee again. She's on the score sheet, and it's about the team tonight, and it was a great performance from everyone. The game plan we executed brilliantly, and you know, if we can do that against England, we'll give them a great game.
It's getting more and more fans every game now, and it's just great to have their support. Like we all say, it is like having a 12th man, and them egging us on. It gives us a right drive when we're feeling down, a little bit lacking in energy, and just seeing their passion, it makes us fiery.
Yeah, this red wall, they're getting better and better, and they're getting louder and louder, and you know what? They keep coming and they keep making a noise. It just makes our journey so much easier.
The fans have been brilliant the last 2 home games, and also down in Southampton they were great down there. But you know, hopefully they'll come out now again for the England game and really get behind us.